Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to briefly go over how I touch up my roots with bleach and the Ion Absolute Perfection Duo Kit. This is a dupe for Olaplex, so it is a bond builder. It will build as well as repair bonds in your hair. Now I will disclaim, I am not a professional in any way. I am just a girl DIYing her hair at home. I'll explain how to use it, why you should use it, as well as tips and tricks learned from my mistakes so that you don't make them at home when you're bleaching or coloring your own hair using the boosters. If you've been watching my videos and maybe forgot to subscribe, make sure to click the button and notification bell. I've been posting videos weekly and I cover beauty, lifestyle, and DIY like we're about to do today. So welcome to the community. As you can see, my hair is already done, and if you want to learn how to achieve this color at home, that will be my next video. Let's get into the product itself. It's a kit, so it will come with the booster and a color sealer. The booster is what you put in your bleach mixture or your color mixture. You can use it either or. The booster itself is the bond builder product, very similar to Olaplex. Is going to prevent breakage and just make your bleaching session a lot less harsh on your hair. The color sealer is used after your processing, so after your bleach session or color session. Since we're here waiting for this to process, you're gonna want to rinse the bleach off in the shower but not shampoo, and then apply the color sealer. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then shampoo as usual. This is going to seal the cuticle of the hair. Normally the hair shaft is open because you've just received color or you've just stripped your hair of color, so that's what this is meant to do, seal the cuticle. It is important for you to seal it so that the moisture doesn't just evaporate out of your hair, as well as the color doesn't fade out of your hair as quickly. Both of these are a power duo. I've definitely seen a difference in my hair when I use the kit. My first tip to you when using the booster for your coloring or bleaching session at home, follow the instructions to a T. This sounds basic, trust me, I know, but the booster instructions state that you should up your developer volume by 1. If you're coloring your hair and you're planning on using 20 volume developer, you should up it to 30 volumes. If you're planning on using 30, up it to 40. The active ingredients in this product will make developer a little less effective in the mixture. I was afraid to use developer 30 on my roots and my scalp, and instead of following the instructions, I mixed developer 30 with developer 20. As you can see, my roots did not lighten enough. They were still kind of orangey yellow versus bleaching with a 20 volume developer without the booster once. This bleaching session, even though it lightened to the perfect color that I needed, my hair felt horrible, felt like straw. Obviously, when you're DIYing or bleaching your hair at home, it's very hard to not overlap. I know a lot of videos online tell you to not bring the bleach all the way to your already bleached sections, but it happens, especially if you're doing your hair at home by yourself. You can't see, you're trying your best. There will be damage, there always is damage when you're doing bleach, but this is just going to lessen the blow. When you're dealing with bleach or color at home, make sure to section off your hair correctly. You can do it in 4 sections or you can divide it into more sections if that is easier for you to handle. Also important, place a mirror in front of you and a mirror behind you, especially if you don't have anyone helping you or telling you that you missed this spot. This happens to me almost every time I bleach my hair at home. I go through all the trouble of applying it and then my scalp starts feeling tingly and I start getting scared that my hair is gonna fall off, and I rinse it off too early. Then I have to do a second bleach session to get it lighter, so I would just recommend to leave it on at least for 45 minutes. Bleach stops working after an hour, so there's really no point in leaving it longer. Make sure you don't wait when your roots are this large to touch up because it is a pain to color correct. I have to color correct in my next session because I did not lighten enough. As you can see, upkeep your hair every month or month and a half. If your hair grows a little slower, it is just going to be easier overall to do the bleach right at the roots, have it turn out well, and not have any banding. So all in all, even though this bleaching session did not turn out as well as my previous ones, I can attest that my hair feels so much better when I include this in my bleaching sessions versus just using straight up bleach. If you can protect your hair while you're doing all of this bleaching and intense processing, why not? You do not need a license to buy this. I think you can get it online or at Sally's. That is where I got mine. They also sell individual packets if you don't want large bottles like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful at all, make sure to share and leave your own tips when bleaching hair at home in the comments down below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.